What is a Bodhran practice pad? Have you ever wondered how musicians practice their skills without disturbing the peace around them? A Bodhran practice pad might just be the answer. This specialized tool is designed for practicing the Bodhran, the traditional Irish frame drum, in a quieter and more portable way. It allows players to keep their rhythm alive without the loud sound of the full drum. The Bodhran itself is a circular frame drum, typically measuring between 35 to 45 centimeters in diameter. It has a goatskin stretched over one side and an open back that allows the player's hand to control pitch and tone. The Bodhran practice pad mimics this setup by replicating the drumhead surface. It often uses materials like rubber, mylar, or mesh to simulate the feel and response of the real drumhead. This means you can practice your rhythm, stick control, and hand techniques without the noise. Many practice pads are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry while traveling around Ireland or attending music sessions. Some models can be mounted on stands or placed on flat surfaces, providing a stable area for practice. These pads are particularly useful for maintaining skills, warming up before performances, or learning new rhythms quietly. Unlike traditional Bodhrans, which may have tuning systems or crossbars inside the frame, practice pads focus mainly on the playing surface and feel. This allows for discreet practice that respects the cultural settings where Bodhran music is often played, like pubs, festivals, or informal gatherings. In the context of traveling in Ireland, a Bodhran practice pad offers a practical way for musicians to engage with Irish musical culture. You can practice this iconic instrument anywhere without needing the full drum or worrying about noise. It supports the learning and appreciation of the Bodhran's unique sound and playing style, which is central to Irish traditional music. So, if you are looking to keep your Bodhran skills sharp while on the go, consider investing in a Bodhran practice pad. It is a fantastic tool that allows you to enjoy the rhythm of Irish culture without the volume.